Hey, great job. Thank you.
Happy Wednesday, everybody. I'm sending this out from our elementary school, and we have some new carpet in the main hallway. It's still not quite there. We have a bunch of things, but the flooring is getting done and it's looking absolutely amazing. So we have more work. I want to show you. This classroom has the flooring that is done already. It just looks really good. And so we are hoping that the flooring will be done by Friday of this week. And so that we're not gonna be able to move by Monday, but I want to let you know that our target date to have everyone back in their own beds and in their own bedrooms is going to be Wednesday, October 23rd. So we'll let you know, we'll give you updates on Friday whether or not that's actually going to be able to happen, but it looks likely. So we're talking with our teachers about how we can do that, but I just want to let you know, parents, that things are looking good. We're probably going to have Wednesday be the day that you go back to regular car line and drop them off at the old locations, but we'll give you plenty of heads up about that. And on Friday, we should know a lot more about that as well. So I also want to mention that one of the remodels that we're doing is not just physically, but academically, as we are changing some of our practices. We did get surveys data from you as far as internet and do you have that access at home, but we're making a pivot in our high school. And so all of our high school students who usually use textbooks on their laptops and have digital and rely on that, we've actually had the press, and our friends over at the press turned around in record time. They gave us physical textbooks for all of our high school classes. So big shout out to our friends at Bob Jones Press who works. We gave them the order on Saturday, I think, and on Monday we had the books sitting in our hallway. Here are boxes of books that we have gotten from our friends at the press that have done a 11th hour job for us to try to get all these books to us. So every student in high school will have a paper copy of textbooks, and we will not be relying on digital textbooks. So I just can't say enough about our friends over at BJU Press who are helping us do that. And so parents, I hope that is a big help to you. And students, we look forward to seeing how that's going to help us not be so reliant on the digital textbooks, especially when we don't have internet. So we're able to move forward and still do school. As we end today, I just want to show you some video from flag raising. We had a flag raising on Monday for Columbus Day in the Quadrangle, and it's really, I wish you could have been there. It was really a cool time for the pep band to play and for us to do the Pledge of Allegiance, to sing the national anthem. It's a great thing, and it's a special time, special tradition that we do here at the Academy. So I'll leave you with this footage as we close, and I'll send another video out Friday with an update as far as what we know between now and then. But until then, have a great day and look forward to seeing you around.